Hey everyone, are you tired of constant arthritis pain holding you back? The stiffness, the achiness, the way it just limits everything you do? It's beyond frustrating, right? Millions of people suffer from joint pain every single day. But what if I told you that there are delicious natural ways to combat that pain and get you back to doing the things you love? Today we're going to dive into the fascinating connection between what you eat and how your joints feel. We'll uncover the top foods scientifically proven to fight inflammation, reduce joint pain, and protect your precious cartilage. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to joint pain and hello to a more active, vibrant you, keep watching. Let's kick things off with a classic dairy. We all grew up hearing about the importance of milk for strong bones. And guess what? Strong bones are essential for healthy joints. Your joints rely on bones, cartilage, tendons, and ligaments all working together. When your bones are strong and healthy, it takes a lot of the stress off your joints. Calcium is like the building block of your bones, and dairy products are jam-packed with it. Think of a nice cold glass of milk, a creamy yogurt parfait, or even a slice of cheese on your sandwich. Dairy products also contain another bone-boosting nutrient called vitamin D. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium more efficiently, making sure all that bone-building goodness gets where it needs to go. So, next time you're at the grocery store, stock up on some calcium-rich dairy products. Your joints will thank you. Now let's talk about those nutritional powerhouses we all know and love, green leafy vegetables. Sometimes they don't sound as appealing as a juicy burger, but trust me on this one. These veggies are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your joint health. We're talking about superstars like spinach, kale, broccoli, and collard greens. These leafy greens are bursting with vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy cartilage. Green leafy vegetables are also excellent sources of antioxidants. Antioxidants fight off harmful molecules called free radicals in your body, which can damage cells and tissues, including those in your joints. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for joint health because excess weight puts added stress on your joints. You can easily toss them into smoothies, salads, or stir-fries. You can even sauté them with a little garlic and olive oil for a delicious and nutritious side dish. Let's dive into the wonderful world of omega-3 fatty acids. You've probably heard of omega-3s before. They're often touted for their heart-healthy benefits. But did you know that they're also incredible for your joints? Omega-3s are a type of polyunsaturated fat that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. That means we have to get them through our diet, and one of the best sources is fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines. These delicious fish are swimming in omega-3s. Omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, which can help ease pain and stiffness in your joints. Omega-3s can also help protect your cartilage from further damage by inhibiting the production of enzymes that break down cartilage. If you're not a big fan of fish, you can still reap the benefits of omega-3s through supplements like fish oil capsules. Just be sure to chat with your doctor before starting any new supplements. Let's talk about those bite-sized powerhouses, nuts and seeds. They're not just convenient snacks, they're packed with nutrients that can actually help reduce joint pain and inflammation. We're talking about almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. These little guys are nutritional superstars. Nuts and seeds are beneficial for joint health due to their high content of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties, meaning they can help calm down those inflammatory responses in your body that contribute to joint pain. Nuts and seeds are also excellent sources of fiber, which is great for digestion and weight management. Almonds are a fantastic source of vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Walnuts are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which we already know are amazing for joint health. Chia seeds and flax seeds are high in fiber and omega-3s. You can sprinkle them on yogurt or oatmeal, add them to smoothies, or even use them as an egg replacement in baking. Let's talk about the importance of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues throughout your body, including those in your joints. When we talk about protein for joint health, we're specifically interested in lean protein sources. Lean protein sources are lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, which is beneficial for overall health. Some great examples of lean protein sources include chicken, turkey, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and Greek yogurt. Protein supports muscle strength. Strong muscles around your joints act like supportive scaffolding, providing stability and reducing stress on the joints themselves. Protein also plays a crucial role in repairing any wear and tear that occurs in your joints. As we age, or if we're particularly active, the cartilage in our joints can experience some wear and tear. So make sure you're incorporating enough lean protein into your diet. Aim to include a source of protein with every meal and snack to support your joint health and overall well-being. So there you have it, folks. We've explored some of the most powerful foods that can naturally support your joint health and help you find relief from pain and stiffness. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is not about deprivation. It's about making delicious and nutritious choices that nourish your body from the inside out. And hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And as always, thanks for watching.